How to make up to $100 a day doing CPA marketing. Introduction. Hello and welcome to our video on how to make up to $100 a day doing CPA marketing. In this video, we will be sharing with you some tips and strategies that can help you earn a steady income by promoting CPA offers. What is CPA marketing? Before we get started, let's briefly explain what CPA marketing is. CPA stands for cost per action, and it is a form of affiliate marketing where you get paid for every action a user takes after clicking on your affiliate link. These actions could include filling out a form, downloading an app, or signing up for a trial offer. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step to making money with CPA marketing is to choose a niche that you are interested in. This could be anything from health and fitness to online education. The key is to choose a niche that you are passionate about and have some knowledge or expertise in. Step 2. Join CPA networks. The next step is to join CPA networks. There are many CPA networks available online, and some of the most popular ones include MaxBounty, Peerfly, and ClickBooth. These networks connect you with advertisers who are looking for affiliates to promote their offers. Step 3. Choose CPA offers. Once you have joined a CPA network, you can start looking for offers to promote. Choose offers that are relevant to your niche and that you think your audience will be interested in. It's important to read the offer details carefully and understand the requirements for earning a commission. Step 4. Promote your offers. Once you have chosen your CPA offers, it's time to start promoting them. There are many ways to promote CPA offers, including social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. You can also create a website or blog and promote your offers through content marketing. Step 5. Track your results. Finally, it's important to track your results and optimize your campaigns for maximum profitability. Use tracking tools such as Volume or Prosper 202 to monitor your clicks and conversions, and make adjustments to your campaigns as needed. Conclusion. In conclusion, CPA marketing can be a great way to make money online. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can start earning up to $100 a day by promoting CPA offers. Remember to choose a niche you are passionate about, join a CPA network, choose relevant offers, promote them through various channels, and track your results. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your CPA marketing campaigns.